Hi, good morning, yeah. Today we are going to make kanji. Okay, come. Today we are making probiotic kanji. Previously, my mother used to make this one. My mother-in-law, sorry, not my mother. No, that time I don't know about that value. Now only I realize that is so good for your gut and all. Okay, this is only Delhi carrot. Previously, I told you this is Ooty carrot. Now I am not getting Delhi carrot. Seasonally is over. Then I thought, okay, I can make with this also. You people can recognize this one. This is a Delhi carrot. Always you can use only Delhi carrot when you are doing kanji. Okay, quickly come and cut and put. That's it. Very easy one and very good for our health. You know, good drink this one. Okay, already I boiled the water and kept it and cutting all the vegetables. You know, vegetables means this is a mooli, radish, and this is a beetroot, and this is carrot, and not much, it's not there, Delhi carrot, just I'm adjusting both the sides. Okay, now again chilies also, green chilies more. I like the spicy, so I'm putting the more green chilies. Now we are adding all the vegetables. I kept it and here the small. I'm doing all small, small. So you have to be very careful when cutting also like this only. Very nicely you can cut it and keep it all this. Now I'm adding this Ooty carrot. I told you, I don't have that one, so I'm using this one only. So like this. That's it, yeah. Even this one also I'll cut it and put it. A little bit masala is there. Then we can add that one also. I'll show you that also. Okay, come on, we'll go there now. See, yeah, my iron kadai. I always tell you, this is very good. Iron, we eating iron. Now, this is a yellow mustard. This, yeah, exactly 2 teaspoon. Again, this black mustard also 1.5 teaspoon. That's it. Okay, calculation. Now toss it nicely. No oil, nothing, no water. Just do like this. The aroma will be very, very nice. After a little while, you can add this one also. Yes, I'll show you. Do like this. The restaurant style only we have to do. They won't use any karchis. Yes. Now you can add this one also. Yeah. See. What I'm going to do, half I'm going to crush it, and half is like that only I'm going to put it now. Okay. Yeah, this is ready now. Yes. Guru, 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 guru. You can make the kanji. Nice thing to eat and drink also. Eat all the vegetables, drink all the water. That's it, yeah. Ready? Now see. Pat, it will come. Careful. It's coming, pat, then I close it like this only. See? Yes. Now we'll make the powder. Half I'm putting like this only. Half of the thing here. Now I'll make the powder. Yes. Just like that, not make it so soft, just like that only. We'll say in Telugu, kacha pacha means like that only, rough. Okay, rough and tough. I got it. Yes, see this one. Just have a look. See. Ah, the aroma is very nice. It has to be cooled down now. I'm using this salt, rock salt, and hing also. Hing is very, very important. It's there. Yeah, it's there only. Ah, nice aroma hing also. Very good. Now come on, yeah. We'll make it pat. Now see this one. All chili, everything I put it. Now I'm adding the salt. Okay, little bit only. Okay, this is enough. You I forgot the kala namak also I want to add. Sorry. See. Okay. Now especially this you have to be. This is a hing. Little bit. The aroma will be very nice. The taste also too good. Now this is a powder. See. Totally putting the powder and mix it well. And little more also there. I will take it out, this one also, my carrot. Nicely mix. Bah. The flavor of this thing really, I'm telling, so good. I can't even tell you. Maybe we are putting the hing and all, because of that. I don't know, but the aroma is too good. Yeah, too good. See, a black salt also. Okay, that's it. Especially, I want to tell you, water should be in the room temperature, little warm. Now you have to add this water. See. Oh my god, the aroma is too good. Unbelievable. Really, I'm telling you, so good. Later on, also, you can add the water. Amma used to do like that only. Now you have to mix it properly. See the color, beautiful, no? Then you can eat the vegetables and drink the water. That's it, yeah. Very nice. My mouth is watering, so nice. The aroma is so good. The hing and mustard seeds, so nice. Wow. That's it, yeah. Mix it and keep it at least in the sun 2-3 days. 4-5 days, I think so, at least. After that, you can drink whenever you want it nicely. See, beautiful. That's it, yeah. This is the kanji. Very nice, too good. That's it, yeah. Now you have to close it and keep it in the storeroom. Then after tomorrow morning, I'll keep it in the sun at least 2-3 days. After that, nicely you can take the water and eat all the vegetables. That's it. Very nice. Especially I want to tell you, for the children, we have to give this one. They are not eating any vegetables, nothing, no. So this is very good. See, this one only to show, I put it in this glass bowl. Otherwise, you can use only mud pot, okay? But I don't know how to put this one, yeah. But anyhow, I'll try. One, be bold. One, two. Okay, yeah, I did it. Thank you. Now we have to put it like this only. Now what we have to do, the olden days, my mother-in-law in the salt also, they will put it the old sari and old, this is my old dupatta. Just close it and keep it in the sun. That also will show you. That's all, they will do like this only. That's it. Now come, we'll put it in the sun. How I'll show you that one also. Come on. Then you have to keep it in the sun, yeah. At least 3-4 days. After that, you can drink nicely. Okay, that's it. Now you people can enjoy, and you can also try very easy only. Cut it and put it, finish. Okay. See, this is fermentation. It happened nicely. How beautiful this color also. Now I'm going to pour it in this. Then only you people can see properly. Okay, the color. This is very good for your gut and stomach, even though for the kids also. I told you before, this is very good for my mother.
What's that inside?
Inside all the vegetables is there, no? You can eat vegetables also. Now you want to drink little?
Yeah, little.
Little only I'm giving, I'm not giving more. Yeah, this is enough for you?
Yeah.
Okay, see the color, it's very good. She's drinking, now I'm going to drink and I'll show you how. Very, very nice. This drink is like, because summer also there, cool down your body also. I think, I don't know, but I'm telling you, now I'm going to drink. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Good, 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 good. Oh my God. So good, I can't even tell you. Not necessary to drink. Good, 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 good. Nicely. Sip by sip, enjoy this drink. My God, amazing. What do you say, yeah? Tell me, no?
I love this drink. I just want more.
You want more? See, now see, yeah? Come on. Now you people can also try in Andi nicely. Enjoy this moment also with the grandchild. Come on.